Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis before in the past, and the main level to really kind of focus on right now is this area right up here around $3.40, which is that key level of resistance. And you can see the price made a good surge today and got up right around that area, didn't quite hit it. But the point being, it's not shocking that the price did ultimately struggle right up here around the $3.40 mark when you consider the fact that, just not that long ago, the price had been up around that area a couple of times. And again, sure, didn't hit it exactly, but got within the ballpark. The point is this, that really after today, we have that much more confirmation that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only get up above $3.40, but be able to stay up above it. So that is certainly going to be kind of, like I said, the key overall level to watch going forward, because after today's price movement, definitely confirmed that for whatever reason, there are people are wanting to sell up around there. So that'll be, public enemy number one from the resistance side of things. As far as areas of support are concerned, though, and I should focus on more so the bigger picture. Sure, the price has been just going sideways, so I get it. This sort of movement is not nearly as exciting as, when the price is making big old moves like that. But you have to kind of stop and keep things in perspective. So sure, I'm going to call this kind of some boring action. So it has been boring, not very exciting at all. But the question becomes, okay, well, where's the last boring period? Well, there was just some sideways price action. What about the last one? Well, there is some, sideways price action, and so on and so forth. But the point here being that each of these boring sections keep getting higher than the previous ones, and that's what really matters. So again, yeah, I get it. It's been maybe a little frustrating, a little annoying to just have the price go sideways, sideways, sideways. But looking at more than just a few days and looking at, several weeks like we're doing here, you can see that overall the trend is still plenty in the bulls' favor, and that's what ultimately matters going forward. And the best way to kind of judge the health of that move and kind of the top portion of this new sideways channel is right here at right around the $3.05 mark. You can see several times now the price has been down around $3.05, both right there and then more recently right there, and the price has been doing a great job of holding strong there. So $3.05 is going to be that key level of support going forward, $3.40-ish, that key level of resistance. But all in all, you got to give the advantage to the bulls because, like I said, the overall trend right now is definitely in the bulls' favor. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.